Hi, I'm Kelly and I'm one of the health coaches here at Parsley Health. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about how to identify high quality animal proteins. For those of you that eat animal proteins, it often can be hard to identify what the best type of protein to get is. Of course, organic is important, but when it comes to animal proteins, organic is just part of the equation. Organic indicates that the feed has no antibiotics, has not had any chemical fertilizers or pesticides used, but it doesn't necessarily indicate the quality of life that the animal lived, which also has a really big impact on the nutritional quality of the meat that you're consuming. When it comes to fish, you want to look for wild-caught varieties or sustainable varieties. Wild-caught fish are obviously going to be taken out of their natural environment and are going to be eating their natural diets, and therefore are going to have the highest nutritional quality and the most amount of vitamins and minerals in the fish product. Sustainable practices mimic their natural environment, and you'll also get a higher quality product. Another important tidbit about fish is understanding mercury and how smaller fish have less amounts of mercury, while larger fish that eat all the smaller fish sequester higher amounts of mercury in their meat. So for optimal fish inclusion in the diet, you want to make sure you're getting a diversity of different fish from both small and lesser amounts of larger fish. When it comes to beef, you've probably heard the word grass-fed before. This is almost an oxymoron because cows actually prefer to eat grass, and this is their natural diet. Cows that are grass-fed eat the bugs, the vegetation, and the grass that's in their pasture. Those that are conventionally raised in feedlots are actually given corn and grain to consume. Cows don't prefer this for their natural diet, and this can actually negatively impact the nutritional quality of the final product. So when you're looking for beef, you want to opt for grass-fed. Grass-fed varieties of beef have 5 times more omega-3 anti-inflammatory fatty acids, more vitamin A, more beta-carotene, and other antioxidants that makes the quality of the meat you're consuming that much more nutritious. So when you're going for beef, make sure that you're choosing a grass-fed variety. When it comes to chicken and eggs, your best bet is a pasture-raised variety that's also organic. For eggs specifically, you want to look for certifications that are pasture-raised or certified humane. This indicates that the hens were happily able to graze the pasture, naturally getting access to the sun and vitamin D, and that their egg yolk inherently is going to have higher amounts of vitamins and minerals, including omega-3 fatty acids. The same thing holds true for chicken meat, and when chickens are also raised in the pasture, they're going to have higher qualities of a lot of nutrients, and therefore when you consume the meat, you're the one that's going to benefit. So make sure you're opting for pasture-raised organic varieties of chicken and eggs whenever possible. For pork, you want to opt for organic varieties that have meaningful third-party certifications, either from a certified humane certification, animal welfare approved, or global animal partnership. For products like bacon, you want to make sure those are also nitrate and nitrate free for best quality.